I just got back home from a job nearby where I had my daughter and a couple of her kids help to sand a log house. We took my pickup and a bunch of tools, so we were sanding all day and I was kind of dusty. I'd check in. This is after work. The guys all went home, and let's see how they got along today. This log that sticks over is what we call the overhang, the roof line log. So this is the first log that carries the roof. There might be one more log on top, but it carries the roof up. So a nice 4-foot overhang on both ends of this Meadowlark rancher. Now this is a little bit different. This has a doorway here and on the other side. They must have redesigned this thing a little bit, because normally there was a door in the end. Yeah, this is a custom. This is going to Idaho. The auction house is a little bit different. It has a big truss here. So this is obviously not finished yet. This is in construction. So it looks like they've got the windows cut out. These are the rough cuts. The windows have to be cut out precisely on the job yet. So this is just the preliminary. So they got that done. And here is, oh, there we go. This row of logs was actually sitting on top of this. That's why I said there's another row. That's true. This was on top, and they took it off. That was what we call a top row, and put it on the ground, because this is now the template for them to build the gables, the top part. So they'll put gables here on both ends and a truss in the center. So this would be a log gable here, and beams, purlins all the way across, and there's this truss at about 2/3 of the way across. This is the bottom chord of the truss, this big log. And that will have the nice sunburst kind of a truss that holds these purlins. It's just a nice, simple floor plan. It's very popular. It's a little bit lower cost because it's simple. Nothing is cheap these days, but it's a good house. It's a nice investment, and it's pretty popular. So there we have, these are the overhangs, like I said. So you've got the double overhangs. This goes on top of that. So 2 logs overhanging, and all of the roof beams will stick out over the same 4-foot distance. Just a nice rectangular, a simple floor plan. And the interior you can move around, and you can see this customer has the doors on both sides, as I said. Normally it goes out one end. There's a porch along the full length of it. So if I'm lucky, I'll be able to get some more video of this together, but tomorrow I'm not going to be around, so maybe I'll miss it. So we'll see if I get more video of this.